Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's unboxing video, I've got some of my Tomicas out. I've got about 13 vehicles to unbox today. They're all from Tomica, the Japanese diecast brand, and they're all varied scales. I've got a 164, 165, 162, and then I've got a 163, 166, a 1:130, and a 1:136 scale. Okay, I'm not a big fan of this brand because the artwork, the photographs look amazing, but the actual vehicle itself is pretty poorly detailed and very basic. The only good ones out of Tomica are the premium range, as well as the Vintage Neo Limited, Tomica Vintage Neo. They pretty much like your mini GTs or your tarmac works, but these basic Tomicas are really simplistic. So I've got about 13 vehicles today. I might start off with the two SUVs, then I'll do the buses, then all we have is Lamborghinis and Ferraris. Okay, I'll start off with the SUV. It's a Japanese Mitsuoka Buddy, and this one's got 1:66, so obviously it's not 164, because that would have been slightly bigger compared to the cars, but this is a 1:66. I'm not going to put them on the turntable for this video, guys, because these are really basic. I've got a few premium ones, and when I do the unboxing video for those ones, I might put them on the turntable to give you guys a 360, but for now, I'll just do a brief review and we can have a look at them one by one. So you get this box to store the vehicle, and comes in a bit of a plastic cover kind of package. Take a look at the vehicle, guys. Pretty basic. I don't see any painted headlights or anything else on the grille. No license plate, no side mirrors. This one's pretty much like your Hot Wheels basics, to be honest. I mean, there's a bit of detailing, but nothing really outstanding. And like I said, I'm not gonna put them on the turntable. Okay. All right, let's look at the Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV, probably a hybrid. That's the vehicle, guys. Pretty neatly detailed, but nothing highly detailed. It's pretty much as good as your Matchbox cars, but even Tomica seems to skip the side mirrors, so not a big fan of these. I just bought them because I wasn't very familiar with the detailing or the model's livery and stuff, how good it looks outside the packaging of the box. It's okay to have them, but not really as a collector, guys. I might just give them off to my son, Karsten. He can add them onto his collection. Okay, next up is this London bus. It's a bit heavy compared to your cars. This one's got a 1:130 scale version. That's the London bus, guys. No detailing whatsoever. I'll have to do some work on this. And like I said, I'm not really impressed with this at all. I bought them because they were quite cheap in Kuala Lumpur a couple of years ago, and I didn't have a lot of Tomica back then. But once I opened a couple, and I was like, nah, this is not worth collecting. But I'd already had like 15 of these or 20 of these, so that's when I stopped. But then I noticed the premium ones are much better, and so are the Vintage Neo Limited. Okay, looking at the other bus, Isuzu Erga Sumiko Gurashi wrinkle bus, and this one is a 1:136. If you look at the artwork, guys, pretty impressive, but the actual model itself is pretty poorly detailed. Okay, this one's pretty good, guys. I'm quite impressed with this one. A bit of detailing on the front, sides, and the back. Plastic chassis. And they also gave some extra stickers to go on this. So I'm going to have to spend some time later on to try and stick them all up and make it look better. And I might give this to my daughter, Elsie, because she likes all these cute little things on the side. Alright, let's move on. Okay, I'll look at some Ferraris first, because you got about 6 Ferraris to go through and only 3 Lamborghinis. So I'll start off with the 488 GTB. And that's an unusual scale, guys. Never seen a 1:62. Alright, any which way. 488 GTB, guys. Not too bad with the plastic headlights, but no side mirrors. Logo on the back. Exhaust, I'll paint them chrome. Plastic taillights. And we've just got the standard Tomica wheels, not the actual Ferrari wheels. But I guess it's a cheaper version, so I'm not too fussed. Okay, next up is the famous Ferrari SF90 Stradale. Another release by Tomica, Takara Tomy. This one's looking good, guys. Nothing out of the ordinary, but painted headlights, black roof, no side mirrors, Ferrari logo on the front, the sides, Tomica wheels, plastic taillights. I'm actually quite impressed with the plastic taillights, guys. Because the other one also had plastic headlights, but this one only has plastic taillights. Looks more like your basic Hot Wheels Stradale, but definitely a bit more detailed than the Hot Wheels one. Okay, next one is a 1:62 scale Ferrari Roma. There you go, guys, Ferrari Roma, 1:62. No side mirrors, looks decent. It's got this beautiful charcoal gray color scheme. Okay, they've only got the painted taillights on this one, not plastic. But I like the little pony logo, guys. Pretty neat. I've also got a 6-pack or a 9-pack. I think it's only a 6-pack separate set, Ferrari set by Tomica as well. That's for another day, guys. I'm gonna have a look at the Lamborghinis now, guys. That one's pretty cool. It's the 1:64 Lamborghini Countach LPI 800-4. I quite like this release, guys. It's missing the side mirrors, but plastic headlights. It's got that nice little decal up the front. Countach Lamborghini logo. Painted taillights. I've put some chrome already, if you guys can notice, on the exhaust. It's not as heavy as your Mini GT or your Hot Wheels Premium because they have metal chassis, but detailing wise, it's almost there, guys. Okay, next one is a Lamborghini Centenario, but this one's a 1:65 scale. Loving the color on this one, guys, but pretty simple and basic detailing. They've got painted taillights, couple of chrome stripes going across the vehicle, no mirrors, no side mirrors, sorry, painted rear bar light, no chrome on the exhaust. Pretty average, guys. I'll still buy Tomica Premium range and the Vintage Neo, but I doubt I'll ever buy another Tomica Basic. Okay, next one is a Lamborghini Reventon. It's a 1:65 scale. I wonder what's with all the different scales, guys. Why can't they just have a uniform 1/64? But that's Japan for a reason, I guess. Once again, just love the color, guys. Pretty basic otherwise. Painted taillights, Lamborghini logo. Nothing standing out. I've got this in other premium brands, and the detailing is pretty awesome, guys. But I guess you get what you pay for. These were quite reasonable. All right, we're down to the last three. Next one is this 1:62 LaFerrari. Like I said, the artwork looks really nice and impressive, but the models aren't. This one's a better release, guys. Still no side mirrors, but it's got the Ferrari logo on the sides. It's got a couple of vents in the front. Plastic headlights. Looks pretty decent. Plastic taillights as well. Pony logo. No chrome on the exhaust, but yeah, it's okay, I guess. Okay, second last one is a 1:62 F8 Tributo. That's a nice looking car, guys. It's got painted headlights, Ferrari logo on the front, beautiful cherry red, plastic taillights, Ferrari logo, chrome's missing, but I can go in and add it when I get a chance. Alright, last one in today's unboxing video, guys. This is beautiful Enzo Ferrari, and this one is also a 1:62 scale. That's the car, guys. Good looking model. It's got some plastic headlights, Ford logo, neatly designed, no side mirrors, painted taillights, chrome pony, exhaust not painted, but overall okay, guys. But once again, I doubt I'm going to buy these basic Tomica ones again in the future. Alright guys, that's all the cars we had to look at today. In today's unboxing video, we had a couple of SUVs, couple of buses. We had about 6 Ferraris and 3 Lamborghinis. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, stay blessed. God bless you all, and I will catch you in my next unboxing video. Thanks, guys.